Okay, so today we're going to do a heart using an artist named Jason Naylor as inspiration. And he does all kinds of cool murals and graffiti art like artwork. So I'll take you through how to create this cool looking heart. So you're going to start with a pencil. All you need are a black Sharpie and a thick black marker, a pencil and eraser, and then some brightly colored markers, okay? So we're gonna draw a heart, and I want you to try to fill your page with the heart. So I'm gonna start with my center heart, and you're gonna kind of draw it in the center, and then you're gonna draw another heart, and this time go out almost to the edge of your page. Once you have your heart the way you like it, what you're going to do is you're going to do all these different decorations, like similar to Jason Naylor, and then we're going to color it with really bright markers. I think I'm going to do like some tiger stripes. He does like these cool tiger stripes on some of his stuff. And then I'm going to do some curved lines to make it look like the heart is rounded. These kind of give it the illusion of looking round. And then he likes to do drips. And so I'm going to do a drip over here. Get bigger at the bottom, come up, down, kind of like that. And you're going to end up erasing this line because it's going to look like the paint is dripping off your heart right here. So, and then I'm just going to draw some more like drippy looking lines. Once you get your heart designed the way you want, then you're going to outline it with Sharpie. And I want you to outline not just the heart, but also your designs. And guys, it's okay if you're not exactly on your pencil lines. You can cheat to the outside because you're going to end up erasing all of these pencil lines anyway. So don't worry about that. The other thing you can do is he likes to do some designs along the outside as well. So you can do this as well. Don't add too many, but add a few. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to erase all your pencil lines. All right, so once you have all of your pencil erased, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the background of your heart and you're going to fill it with black. And before you add any color at all, I want you to go and look at the worksheet packet that is provided with this lesson and choose a couple of different color schemes and practice on the heart on the worksheet to give yourself a good idea of what colors you want to use in your design. By adding the black first, it's a lot easier when you go to add your color so that you don't have to worry about trying to keep the black from contaminating any of your colors. So just keep coloring in your designs with these bright markers or colored pencil. And once you're done, you'll have a beautiful Jason Naylor heart to display. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.